In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Chatgpt 4.0 Canvas full issue efficiently and effectively. It's a common situation you might encounter when your canvas becomes overwhelmed with data, leading to performance hiccups. But don't stress, even though it may sound technical, I'm here to guide you through each step in a way that's easy to grasp and implement. Let's get started with the first step, which involves opening Chatgpt. Now, this might seem straightforward, but ensuring you have a fresh session can help prevent further complications. So go ahead, launch the application, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. This ensures that any changes or updates sync seamlessly, keeping the functionality smooth. Once you're in, the next move is to create a new chat. Think of this as giving yourself a fresh canvas to work on without the clutter of previous interactions. A new chat provides the blank slate you need, ensuring that you're not bogged down by the weight of an overloaded system. Just go to the chat initiation section and start a new conversation instance. It's as simple as that. Moving on, copy your existing content and paste it into this new chat. This step is about making sure you don't lose any crucial information or the thread of an ongoing conversation. By transferring your content, the transition to a new chat is seamless, allowing you to pick up right where you left off without loss of context or data integrity. Next, we address version clutter. Over time, the accumulation of different versions or duplicates of your work can strain the system's capacity. Take a moment to declutter by organizing or condensing these versions. It's like cleaning up your workspace. You'll be amazed at how much easier things become when unnecessary weight is lifted. Another effective method is splitting your work into manageable chunks. This step is essentially about optimizing your workflow. Instead of handling everything all at once, breaking down tasks into smaller, more digestible portions can enhance performance and reduce strain on the canvas. It's akin to tidying up your to-do list, allowing you to focus on and complete individual tasks one at a time. Finally, for large files or projects that seem unwieldy, dividing them into smaller sections can significantly ease the load. Think of it like organizing a large document into chapters. It not only helps with navigation, but also makes it easier for the system to manage and for you to troubleshoot if issues arise. By following these steps diligently, you should notice a marked improvement in ChatGPT's performance, making your user experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Remember, these tweaks are not just about solving a current problem, they're about optimizing your workflow for long-term success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.